Hey guys, welcome on in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the resources page for Freak the Mighty. And that's going to be a really important page because that's where you find the electronic version, yes, the scanned in version of the novel so that you can complete the rest of your coursework for this unit. Okay, so first off, you're going to go into modules, of course, and once you arrive, you're going to see this page right here. At the very top of the page, it says resources, and it is published, as you can see here. So click on resources, open it up, and boom, there's the novel. And I put in a sidebar here with an LTI so that you guys can actually go ahead and just scroll down to read the novel. The whole novel is included there. Now, there is also a link for a PDF, so if you'd rather download it, then you can click there, and then you'll see at the bottom of the screen right here that I can click on it to open it, and this is the same version of the book, or it's the same novel rather. The difference is that it's just a PDF that is downloadable, so if you wanted to use that and download it to your phone, that way you can access it from literally anywhere, then that would be helpful as well. Okay, so those are your options for the novel. If you have any other questions or you're having some difficulties, please email me at chris.bagley@ccsdut.org. Thank you and have a great day.